Okay, so we have created so many stuff till now. So the only thing left for us to do is to add login and logout pages. Let's see how we can do that. Let's get to our code and we can go to home. I'm going to close this one. And from home, we're going to go to views.py. Okay, and then we're going to import something here. So we're going to import the login view. So we're going to say from Django.contrib.auth.views. We need to import login view. Let's save that. Now that we have imported the login view, we can create the login view. So right before this one, so I'm going to create a new class. Okay, I'm going to call this as login interface view. Okay, and it's going to inherit from login view. And then we're going to choose the template name, that is home/login.html. Now we don't have this template yet, but we're going to create that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the urls.py of the home, and then we're going to create a new path, and we're going to set the new path to login, say views.login interface view dot as view. Okay, let's save this. Now we can create the template. So we can go to templates, home, and here we're going to create a new file. I'm going to call this as login.html. I guess that's the name I gave, right? Yes, login.html. And then we can say extends base.html, and then we can say load static, then we can say block content. Okay, so this is where we can actually specify our login page. So to get that, what we can do is we can say form. Oops. Okay, so I need to change this to HTML. Okay, so now it's gonna work. So form, I'm gonna set the action to blank. I'm gonna set the method to post. And then now we need to add the CSRF token. Okay, then we need to specify the login form. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use the login form fields as paragraph tags. So we're going to say form.as_p. Okay, and we're going to say input type is submit, but the class is btn sm btn success. Let's save that. Okay, so now that we have our login, we can go to our page here and then we can try to log in. So I'm going to just get rid of this one here. Okay, so we can simply say /login. Now you can see that we have a form where we can actually easily log in. So now let's try logging in here. So I'm going to say admin and say admin, and if I had login, you can see that we face an error. So the error is that the login right now is set to admin. So we need to change that to the default URL. So we can do that by going to settings.py. So I'm going to minimize this one, go to my site, settings.py, and then we need to look for login redirect URL. So that's going to be somewhere here. So login redirect URL. Okay, we don't have it, so we need to create that. So we're going to say login redirect URL. I'm going to set that one to /smart notes. Okay, save that. Let's get back to the browser here, and what we can do is we can change this back, and now we can go to login, that we are logged in, admin and admin. So if I submit, now you can see that will redirect me back to the notes list.